Our tagline, "We Spark Productivity," aims to help make injection molding easier and maximize production throughput. From simple to complex, we want to help molders open process windows, maximize uptime, and take advantage of advanced manufacturing practices. Our successful integration of hot runner controls into molding cells using contact relay I/O began in 2003 with a preheat station. The molder used a central control system to shuttle injection molds in and out of the station while sending signals to our hot runner controller to run, boost, and stop. Other molders quickly adopted this I/O communication for practical purposes, such as stopping the injection molding machine if the hot runner system leaks, changing conveyor direction toward an inspection bin if there is a control alarm, stamping the injection molding machine history with alarm information, boosting tips after the press has been idling, automatically idling hot runner zones when the press stops, and of course using a soak timer at startup to notify the machine it's okay to inject. These examples of cell integration show the productivity improvements we've provided to molders, along with exceptional hot runner temperature control that reduces scrap, improves cycle times, and enables molders to produce challenging part geometries and materials. Other related productivity improvements we have provided are time savings and assurance of 100% accurate testing of hot runner systems and cables using our patented MoldX Checker and CableX Checker diagnostic devices. And finally, for hot runner systems, our easy access terminal boxes with optional thermocouple protection save connector wiring time, prevent errors, and actively protect thermocouples from ground leakage, which saves both time and money. Manny Diaz provides hands-on training at the Hot Runner Troubleshooting and Repair course offered by the American Injection Molding Institute. Our larger mission of helping molders be more productive has expanded our offering to include unique solutions for plasticizing and melt delivery, including Zyger screws, Zyger check ring assemblies, Spark Zyger heated machine nozzles, and fast heat heated sprue bushings. These offerings are optimized for wear resistance, corrosion resistance, and processing. Chad Root and our network of manufacturing representatives tackle specialty projects with a variety of industry-leading solutions, including Fanuc robots, Dubot cobots, Mac automation airveyor and conveyor systems, MoldVac, and others. Ready to spark productivity? Contact your local representative or learn more at fastheatbyspark.com.